my trip to Trenggalek with my mom and my brother. We set off early in the morning by car and stopped in a rest area for breakfast. And then we stayed over at our grandma's house. It felt so cozy. Then we headed out to explore and came across a beautiful waterfall and beach in the Trenggalek. At night, we ate out and broke up some funny childhood stories. The next day, we packed up and went home. Can't wait to come back Trenggalek.